Himalayan pink salt granules are naturally mined from ancient salt deposits in the Himalayan mountains, rich in trace minerals that give them their distinctive pink hue. They are widely used for culinary purposes and therapeutic benefits, offering a pure and unrefined alternative to regular table salt. A Himalayan salt pestle and mortar is a unique kitchen tool crafted from natural pink salt, ideal for grinding spices while adding subtle mineral flavors to your recipes. A Himalayan salt fire bowl is a decorative lamp made from pink salt, featuring a bowl design with salt chunks and a light source, known for its warm glow and air-purifying properties. A Himalayan salt fire bowl is a decorative lamp made from pink salt, featuring a ball design W source, known for its warm glow and air-purifying properties. A Himalayan salt natural lamp is a hand-carved light fixture made from pink salt crystals, emitting a soothing glow and believed to promote relaxation and air purification. A Himalayan cooking salt slab is a versatile, heat-retaining block of pink salt used for grilling, searing, and serving food, imparting a subtle, natural salt flavor. A Himalayan salt pyramid is a decorative and functional piece carved from pink Himalayan salt, often used for its aesthetic appeal, natural air purifying properties, and calming ambience.